we came across this old math problem called the knapsack problem. And
Mhm,
the whole idea is it's like given a constrained space, a backpack or a knapsack, and you have a
mhm,
limitation of weight, and you have a bunch of valuable items, each with weight and a different amount of value. How can you bring the most amount of value within the weight constraint? And that really struck with us because we kind of think about that like with design systems, and you can only load so many components on a page before it makes the page slow and people don't like it. And so how can a design system provide the most amount of valuable value in the tightest package? That kind of resonated with us, and it made us laugh a little bit. The person who came up, the mathematician who came up with that is his name was Toby. And so that's the name of our design system, is Toby.